I visited today in this GTTC. I must say that I am ineffably surprised to see the kind of an facility that this institute is having right in the heart of Bangalore. I see that it starts from the very basic. Students can start working in the basic mechanical wise, and then how they gradually enhance their skill, how they learn the machine, and in the final year they go and operate the most modern machines which enhance their skills to an global class level. I think they become the ready available talent for the industry, and that's the kind of a skill development this institute is doing, GTTC is doing. Thanks to all the people, thanks to the management of the institute, you are truly building our nation. Thank you.
ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ